Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
YouTube can auto-translate captions into over 100 languages automatically for viewers. The feature requires captions or an uploaded transcript before translation can occur. Start by enabling captions in the video settings so YouTube detects speech accurately. If a video has no captions, use automatic captions or upload a transcript file first. Viewers can select the translated language from the CC menu during playback. Remember that automatic systems may make errors, so review translations when accuracy matters. On desktop, open the video and click the CC button to enable captions. Next, click the gear icon for settings and choose subtitles/CC to translate. Select the target language from the language list YouTube provides, which includes over 100 options. To improve results, upload a transcript in SRT or VTT format before translating. Uploaded transcripts preserve timing and reduce speech recognition errors during translation. Use the Community Contributions option to collect human translations from viewers when higher quality is required. Provide a clean transcript with timestamps and speaker labels for the most accurate translations. Use SRT or VTT files formatted with correct punctuation and 1/4 second timing precision when possible. Keep caption lines under 42 characters and limit on-screen duration to 5 seconds for readability. Consider adding a glossary of names and terms to avoid mistranslation of brand names or technical phrases. Always review the machine-translated captions and accept or edit community-contributed translations before finalizing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.